Hello, this is Lami Cooks. Welcome back to my kitchen. How are you all doing? How are you managing with the COVID-19 and the lockdown? I hope we are all keeping safe. Today we are making Brukina or Degue, or some people call it Thiakry. Have you had this before? It is made out of millet mixed with yogurt. This is a very detailed recipe starting from scratch. If you want to know how I made it, please stay tuned and make sure you watch till the end. Are you subscribed to this channel? If you're not, please do so now and don't forget to hit the notification bell. Now, let's head over to the kitchen and start. I'll first introduce my ingredients. You will need your millet flour, which I believe you can find in any of the Indian grocery stores. It's called bajra atta if you visit any of the Indian stores. This is how you identify the millet flour. You will need some yogurt. Plain yogurt or Greek yogurt is fine. You will also need laban, which is liquid yogurt. If you can't find, I think Activia has as well. We'll mix both of them together. You will need some sugar according to your taste and preference. Some salt to taste, just a little bit. And some flavoring. I have here banana and vanilla, but you can choose either or. It's fine. Now let's go ahead and start. In your bowl, you put in your millet flour. Mind you, I saved a little bit on the side to use it to mix up later on. So I go ahead and mix into a dough. Usually in Ghana, you soak the millet for about 2 hours before you grind it. Now, because we're getting the millet flour straight away, I like to just mix it into a dough for about an hour. Let it sit for about an hour before I start making it and forming it into balls. Cover it and keep it for about an hour. Now it's been an hour and this is how it looks like. This is the extra millet powder that I saved on the side. So I'm going to start forming the balls in bits. So as you can see, I'm keeping the rest on the side and I'm just starting to form this part into balls. So do it gradually, watch the technique, keep adding the extra millet flour as and when you need it. If you feel it's too wet, add more millet flour. You use your hands to break the bigger ones in it. Keep picking. It might take some time, so if you want to sit down, do feel free to sit down because it might take a while, especially if you want it to be very, very, very small. Have you liked this video? If you've not, please make sure you do that now. Thank you. This is how you want your Brukina to look. You can break it further into more smaller bits. Once you get to this stage, it's now time to cook your Brukina. Now you can use a steamer if you have one. If you don't, that's fine. You can just get yourself a saucepan, put a little bit of water underneath. If you have a strainer, use that, but make sure you put a cheesecloth inside the strainer because the holes are a bit big and the Brukina can seep through. So just make sure you put a cheesecloth. Or I'm using this, which is made with cheesecloth. It is the same size as my pan because you want to keep as much vapor in your pot as possible. So make sure whatever you're using is the same size so you don't lose vapor, because it's the vapor or the steam that is going to cook your Brukina. So put your Brukina in one layer. Again, you don't want to overcrowd it so it cooks through well. So just in one layer, cover it and let it cook for the first 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes, check and see the big ones if they are cooked through. Use your fork or spoon to stir it so that the other side can also get cooked. Cover it and let it cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Now after 7 minutes, ooh, you can see the Brukina is ready. Check and you see it's all cooked through. Make sure when checking, you're checking the big one. Alright, mix some salt with a little bit of water to make a brine. You can see the vapor. Brukina is ready. This yummy-licious goodness is about to go down somebody's throat. A little bit of the salt and stir it around and make sure until it is well stirred together. Now let's go ahead and mix our yogurt. I can't wait. So in your liquid yogurt, you add your Greek yogurt or any other regular plain yogurt. Sugar to taste, and then your vanilla as well. Just a half a teaspoon, it's fine. Give it a quick stir and then add your Brukina, the star of the whole dish. I'm adding it in bits. Depends on how you want it. Some people would like more yogurt, some people would like more Brukina, so mix it according to your taste buds. And that's it, your Brukina is ready. I can't wait to have this. I know you also can't wait to try this out. Serve it as you desire. Some people like it chilled, some people like it room temperature, as you like. Let me know in the comment section when you try it and how it tastes like. Thanks for watching. Enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please leave the notification bell on so you can get notified anytime I upload a video. Like the video and share with your family and friends. Until I see you next time, bye.